Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Have you ever stopped, closed your eyes, and truly listened to the world around you? Today, let's embark on a journey through some of the most enchanting natural soundscapes from around the globe. Welcome to nature's symphony, soundscapes of the world. Imagine standing at the edge of a lush rainforest. The first light of dawn breaks through the canopy, and the air is alive with the chorus of countless birds. Each call tells its own story, blending into a symphony that's been performed for millions of years. Right here in the Amazon, the sounds of howler monkeys, the rustle of leaves, and the call of exotic birds create a vibrant tapestry of life. Now, let's move to the vast open plains of the African savanna. As the sun sets, the landscape transforms with the deep roars of lions, the rhythmic beats of elephants' footsteps, and the distant calls of hyenas. The savanna's night sounds are both thrilling and mysterious, giving you a sense of the untamed wild. Next, picture yourself by the ocean on a secluded beach. Waves crash rhythmically against the shore, gulls call overhead, and the wind whispers through the coastal vegetation. It's a calming and meditative experience where every sound invites you to breathe deeply and relax. But nature's symphony isn't just about the grand and exotic. Even in our own backyards, there's a world of sound waiting to be discovered. The gentle hum of bees as they flit from flower to flower, the rustling of leaves in a gentle breeze, or the steady rhythm of raindrops on a rooftop. These everyday sounds are nature's way of grounding us, reminding us of the beauty in the simple and the familiar. Finally, let's not forget the hauntingly beautiful sounds of the Arctic. Here, the wind howls across vast icy landscapes, while the calls of seals and the distant songs of whales echo through the frigid air. It's a stark yet profoundly moving soundscape that speaks of nature's resilience and grandeur. So, next time you're outdoors, take a moment to really listen. Whether you're in a dense forest, a sprawling savanna, by the ocean, or simply in your own garden, nature has a symphony ready to play just for you. Thanks for joining me on this auditory adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more journeys into the natural world. Keep exploring and keep listening. Until next time.